This is infrared remote control battle tank. It has 2 colors and 2 different frequencies, and it goes with its own remote control. So right here, this is the battery. It's a rechargeable battery, and it comes with an adapter, so you would just connect this, and then you would plug it in, and then a red light will come on to let you know that it's charging. Once it's done charging, you take it out, and you turn your tank upside down, and you would open the compartment right here. So you would take this part and you would connect it. Make sure that it's connected so it doesn't get loose. So now you will place it in neatly. Then close it up. Now turn it back, and this is an optional antenna. You can put it right in this hole right here, and it's optional because it would still work without it, but with it, it gives you stronger range and signals. These right here are the optional parts for decoration on your tank. So this is a little light you put right here, and this is a gun. You would connect it where this rectangle part is. These two, they would match up, so you would just click them together just like that. And now with this, you just put it in this hole right here. So now you are ready. You would turn on your tank. So switch it on to the left side. When you hear that sound, it means that there's a battery inside. Now here's your remote control. You turn it on. You could move it around. This joystick right here makes it go, it makes it turn right. So you go forward, or you can also go backwards. It always turns to the right. With this side of the joystick, it will turn to the left side, either forward or backwards. It will turn to the left side. And so, in back of the remote control, there's these buttons. This one, we hold it down, it will rotate the barrel counterclockwise. So now, with the other one, you'll hold that one down, it will rotate the barrel clockwise. This button right here is for firing. So you press it, it will fire. Also, if you want it to rotate and fire, you'll just hold down one of these back here and hold down firing. So that makes it rotate while firing, and it shows the light. You can also go the other way. Just press down this button and hold down fire. So that will go the other way. We're going to demonstrate the battling of the 2 tanks with 2 different frequencies. So right now this tank is on, and to save time, we already had it shot twice. But when you turn it on first, there would be 4 lights all lit up. So right now is just 2, so to save time. So right now we're going to put this down and show the battling of these 2 tanks right here. So, for example, this tank just got shot, and so it has a few seconds for it to regain its strength, because it's kind of a safety measure, so the other tank cannot shoot it again in such a short time frame. So, now they're gonna battle. So the lights, they act as a lifeline. So when you start off, you have 4 lights. So, okay, so this tank right here just got all 4 of its lights shot. So it means that this tank lost. So that's why it's blinking. So when it loses, it's going to take a few seconds to recharge and reboot so you guys can play again. So that's an example of the battling of 2 tanks with 2 different frequencies.